to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power a, this is equal to 48. So what is the value of a? Solution from here, we have 8 to the power a, this is equal to 48. To solve for a, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power a, this is equal to log 48. So log 8 to the power a, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property, then you find that log 8 to the power a becomes a log 8. This is equal to log 48. The next step is to divide both sides by log 8, okay, log 8. So let's simplify log 8 and log 8 so that here we have a is equal to log 48 divided by log 8. So the next step is that we can express 48 as 8 multiplied by 6. So this implies that a is equal to log 8 multiplied by 6 divided by log 8. And therefore, log 8 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have a is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 6 divided by log 8. So log 8 and log 8 simplifies so that we have a equal to 1 plus log 6 divided by log 8. Now the next step is that we can express 6 as 2 multiplied by 3, and we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So this implies that a is equal to 1 plus log, this is 2 times 3, divided by log 8, which is 2 to the power 3. Now, log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which is equal to log a plus log b. Let's apply this property so that a will be equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus equal to 1 plus log 2 times 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now, log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this property, applying this logarithm property, then you find that a is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3, then plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now applying the power rule property here, that is log a to the power n, we can express this as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then here a will be equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. So log 2 and log 2 simplifies so that a is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. Now this implies that a is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3, this is 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. The next step is that log 3 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. Applying this logarithm property, then we'll have that A is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. Given that 1 over 3 is common here, so that we'll have A is equal to 1 over 3 into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2. So this is the value of A. This is the value of A. Let's verify that this A satisfies the equation by following these steps. Let's verify that the value of A, which is 1 over 3, into the bracket 4 plus log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So if you recall here, we have that 8 to the power A, this is supposed to give us a value of 48. Let's substitute the value of A so that we have 8 to the power 1 over 3 into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 48. We can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Let's substitute this. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power 3 times 1 over 3 into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Let's check if this is true. So 3 and 3 simplifies so that we have 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of A to the power n plus m, and this is supposed to be equal to A to the power n times A to the power m. Now, applying this exponent property, then this means that here we have 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now, 2 to the power 4, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 16. And that's 2 to the power, that is 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So this implies that 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, this is equal to 3. So substituting now, this will have 16 multiplied by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, which is 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. 16 times 3, this is 48, which is equal to 48. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that means that the value of A, which is equal to a third into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video, please like this video and subscribe. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.